What up, y'all? It's your boy Copenhagen. Man, I've been up since 5 o'clock. I think it's time to do a new video. Well, what could I be doing? Could it be this? Nah, I've done plenty of dip reviews. Got a real flag behind me. Didn't feel like hanging it. So we gotta pick something new up, like a local tobacco store. Tennessee Chew moonshine flavor from Stokers. Hmm. Warning: smokeless tobacco is addictive. Tennessee Chew moonshine blend. It's time to pack a hammer. There we go. It was like $18.89. I had $5 off coupon, so it came out like $15 for a big ass bag of chewing tobacco, y'all. That's bigger than legal. And by the way, the mud jug of the day is my Southern Pride mud jug. So, man, a lot of stuff been going on. Been working on mud trucks, swamp buggies. I haven't had time to do no dip videos. I've just been busy, y'all. But I just want to give a shout out to the redneck soldiers. Y'all killing it, son. Farm golf. Y'all go check that video out. Farm golf. Go like them on www.facebook.com. Redneck soldiers. Y'all go check that shit out. Um, what else? What else is going on? I just got my hair cut. Looking. Oh, duh. What the chewing tobacco tastes like? It does got a good flavor to it. I mean, I thought I wasn't gonna like it. You know, it has like a nice, I don't know how to put it, sweetness, like moonshine flavor. I mean, I used to do Levi Garrett. That's 10 times better than Levi Garrett. I don't know about that. That's like cheaper. But um, what else, man? What else to say? Just I just want to say thanks to all my fans on here. Zombie Boy, Austin Country Boy, Big D, uh, everyone y'all that comment on my videos, like them. I appreciate y'all. I'm just doing this to kill time. I ain't trying to be a celebrity or nothing. I'm just doing what I do. You know, we need some dip, y'all. It's time to wake up. They're trying to take our gun rights away. You know, trying to raise prices on tobacco. I'm sorry, I've been dipping for so long. You know, I ain't gonna give it up. Southern pride. But if you don't like chewing tobacco, dip, smokeless tobacco, I mean, Can't tell us what to do. You can try and make us quit, but we'll just say, fuck you, because we are who we are. That's just like people that drink, that we do what we want. It's our life, our decision. Moving on. Motson Creek, the new song and video. Uh, damn. We need a redneck in the White House. Y'all go check that shit out. That's for real. We definitely need a redneck in the White House. So, I guess it's time to get this day moving. Get motivated. Got a big ass chew in. Pack and Hammer. Darcy from Mud Jugs. Love y'all Mud Jugs, man. Freaking everyone in Spring Hill, Florida is asking me, where do I get a Mud Jug? Where do I get a Mud Jug? God damn it, go to mudjug.com. What can I say? Everywhere I go, don't matter what county, what store, people always ask me, what's a mud jug? What's that in your hand? I was like, a mud jug. Like, what's a mud jug? I was like, it's for smokeless tobacco. Dip, chewing tobacco. You can use it for other things, but I use it for chewing tobacco and dip. Like, oh really? Cool. Does it spill? I was like, no. Tip it like that, it don't spill. Like, oh, that's awesome. Does it tip? I'm like, no. It's awesome. I mean, they're reliable. I like them. But, alright, y'all. I'll holler at you later. It's time to get some sweet tea and shit. Alright, YouTube, y'all take care. Can't wait for hunting season. Later, y'all. Copenhagen's out. Cope. Later.